Hey, this is Donald again. I'm just going to be doing a really quick test run, firstly, to show you how Crazy Train is, at least what it sounds like, when it's at max speed, and also just trying to come up with a better way of teaching you this, because it is hard as hell to film. So yeah, we're going to try this again, from, whatever. So this is a super awkward angle, but again, this is mostly just to see Crazy Train up to speed. It's not specifically to teach you. There's a different video on that. So this is, again, testing, and secondly, speed. So, dear God, get this all in shot, but if it doesn't, whatever. Sweet Jesus Christ, that was terrible. Okay, here's the tempo. I. And again, that repeats, so it's just straight into the, straight into that, so. Yeah, you get it. I already have a better detailing this. This is mostly, again, just to get it to full speed. That's what it's supposed to sound like. Obviously, I'm only one player, so I don't exactly have the entire set with me, so we'll see how that goes. So yeah.